Chevrolet is a name we've all heard, the most recognized automakers globally, offering a wide range of vehicles, from budget sedans to full-size trucks and cutting-edge EVs. But not every Chevrolet is a smart investment in 2025. With tightening emission standards, growing electric infrastructure, and a demand for better tech, some Chevys are outdated or overpriced. In this guide, we explore 4 Chevrolet models you should avoid, and 4 you should seriously consider. We'll dive into their specs, performance, estimated pricing, and design to help you make an informed choice. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got weekly car tips, reviews, and buying guides to help you pick the right ride without the stress. 4 Chevrolets to avoid in 2025. Number 1. Chevrolet Malibu. Once a popular midsize sedan, the Chevrolet Malibu now lags behind in nearly every category. Priced from around €24,000, the Malibu is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 163 horsepower paired with a continuously variable transmission. While its fuel consumption averages 6.7 liters per 100 kilometers, 100 kilometers, this isn't enough to make up for its lackluster power and aging platform. Internally, the seats use low-grade cloth on lower trims and faux leather on higher trims, neither of which feels premium. The infotainment screen is just 8 inches and lacks the crisp resolution or responsive interface found in competitors. The cabin's plastic-heavy materials and outdated dashboard design further disappoint. Externally, the design has barely changed in years, with narrow headlights and an unimpressive rear profile. The 17-inch wheels look small compared to modern standards, and the overall aesthetic is more 2015 than 2025. In a world moving towards sleek EVs and hybrid sedans, the Malibu feels like a relic. Number 2. Chevrolet Trailblazer. Marketed as a subcompact SUV, the Chevrolet Trailblazer looks trendy at first glance, but under-delivers where it counts. Priced from €22,500, it offers either a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder, 137 horsepower, or a 1.3-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, 155 horsepower. While the Trailblazer gets around 7.1 liters per 100 kilometers, the small engine struggles to keep up with highway speeds and feels sluggish under load. Inside, space is tight. Rear legroom is limited, and the seating materials, especially in the base LS trim, are basic fabric that feels rough and thin. The 7-inch infotainment system is too small for 2025 standards, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto integration is wired only. Outside, the Trailblazer looks sporty, but the 16 or 17-inch wheels appear undersized. The thick plastic cladding gives it a cheap crossover feel, and road noise insulation is below average. For a little more money, competitors offer better engines, more space, and a more refined experience. Number 3. Chevrolet Traverse High Country. With a starting price of €50,000, the Chevrolet Traverse High Country positions itself as a luxury 3-row SUV. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 328 horsepower, but it fails to match the refinement of German or Japanese rivals. Fuel economy stands at 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers, which isn't bad for its size, but performance feels disconnected and soft. The cabin is roomy, but quality doesn't match the price tag. Despite leather seating, many surfaces are hard plastic, and the stitching feels artificial. The 10.2-inch infotainment touchscreen is functional, but the graphics look dated. Outside, the Traverse is bulky. While chrome accents and 20-inch wheels add flash, the design lacks the cohesiveness seen in other premium SUVs. It's large for urban driving, and turning radius and visibility are problematic. Number 4. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 6.2-liter V8. With a starting price of €55,000, the Silverado 1500 with the 6.2-liter V8 is a powerhouse, generating 420 horsepower. However, its fuel economy of 14.7 liters per 100 kilometers is its biggest drawback, especially with rising fuel costs in Europe. Worse yet, this engine variant has been affected by a major GM recall involving potential valve spring failures, impacting reliability. Interior materials feel truck-like rather than premium, and while the 13.4-inch touchscreen is a highlight, it's one of the few modern touches in an otherwise old-school cabin. The Silverado's external design is bold, but with its square edges, oversized grille, and heavy body-on-frame structure, it feels outdated in a world moving towards sleeker, more aerodynamic pickups. 4 Chevrolets worth buying in 2025. Number 1. Chevrolet Blazer EV. The Chevrolet Blazer EV is the brand's most dynamic electric SUV to date. Starting from around €42,000, it's available in front, rear, and all-wheel drive configurations. Power output ranges from 220 horsepower to 557 horsepower in the SS Performance model. With a range of 455 to 520 kilometers, it competes strongly with Tesla and Hyundai EVs. Inside, it's futuristic. A massive 17.7-inch touchscreen dominates the dash, supported by an 11-inch digital instrument cluster. Soft-touch materials and leatherette or vegan leather seating give it a premium feel, while ambient lighting and a flat-bottom steering wheel add flair. Outside, it's muscular and athletic, with a coupe-like silhouette and LED lighting signatures. Available 21-inch wheels and flush door handles help it look like the future. Number 2. Chevrolet Silverado EV. A reinvention of the iconic truck, the Silverado EV starts at €42,000 but delivers premium utility. Dual electric motors deliver up to 754 horsepower, and the range varies from 630 to 790 kilometers depending on battery configuration. Towing capacity is an impressive 4,500 kilograms. The cabin is quiet and tech-rich, with a 17-inch center display, optional Super Cruise, and high-quality materials throughout. The multi-flex midgate allows you to haul longer cargo with the tailgate closed, a major plus for tradespeople and adventurers alike. Externally, the Silverado EV has a futuristic stance, an aerodynamic front end, 24-inch wheels on some trims, and a lockable front trunk for extra storage. Number 3. Chevrolet Equinox EV. Priced from €30,000, the Equinox EV is Chevrolet's answer to affordable electric mobility. It offers up to 525 kilometers of range and comes with either a 220 horsepower single motor or 300 horsepower dual motor setup. This SUV strikes a balance between price, efficiency, and tech. The interior is well finished, with cloth or leatherette options, generous legroom, and a minimalist yet functional dashboard. An 11-inch touchscreen is standard, with wireless phone integration and advanced driver assistance features included. Its exterior design is sleek and understated, with modern curves, slim LED lights, and wheels ranging from 18 to 21 inches. It's a standout in the budget EV category. Number 4. Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray. At the high-performance end, the Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray combines a 6.2-liter V8 with an electric motor, producing a combined 655 horsepower. Priced from €110,000, it's not cheap, but it's a hybrid supercar capable of 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Inside, you get racing-style bucket seats, premium suede or Napa leather, and an 8-inch touchscreen with Bose audio. It's driver-focused and every bit as luxurious as it is fast. Externally, the E-Ray is stunning. With its wide stance, aggressive air intakes, and bold splitters, it's a head-turner, now with hybrid efficiency and AWD grip. In 2025, Chevrolet's strength clearly lies in its electric lineup. The Blazer EV, Silverado EV, Equinox EV, and Corvette E-Ray represent the brand's future, with performance, design, and efficiency to match modern demands. Meanwhile, aging models like the Malibu, Trailblazer, Traverse High Country, and Silverado 6.2-liter V8 lag behind in tech, value, and sustainability. Choose wisely. The right Chevrolet can deliver years of satisfaction, while the wrong one can quickly feel like a financial burden. Love cars and hate wasting money? I hope you would like this informative video, so please hit subscribe button. We've got the smart picks every week.